Made by Kids. Today we're going miniature with a dollhouse makeover. So this is my original dollhouse from when I was a kid, and as you can see, it's been well loved. It was also painted by my 9-year-old self, I believe. So it definitely needs a little bit of a facelift, a little bit of touch up on the paint. There's some things that are a little broken that I will fix up, but I was excited to do this project and keep it kind of as an ongoing project that I can do with the girls. So it's something that we can do together. It's something that we can do room by room. They can start to pick out some furniture, maybe part of their allowance or something. They're saving money for different things that they want. They can choose paint and wallpaper and fun stuff like that kind of as we go. But for now, just going to refresh it and kind of give it a mini revamp, and then also add some furniture because my parents saved the dollhouse but not any of the furniture. So just replace the furniture with some fun ones that I found at Hobby Lobby and Amazon. There are still a few more rooms to do, so anything I do have, I will put links in the notes as well as on madebykidsco.com so you can see what I bought and where it's from. And then stay tuned for the progress because we will do some more rooms in here and kind of keep going, updating it as we go, add some more furniture, like I said, wallpaper, and fun little touches. So it's just kind of an ongoing project that we'll do a little bit at a time. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe and like button to stay tuned for the progress on this and some more other fun projects that we have coming up this spring and summer. Thanks so much for tuning in. and like button to stay tuned for the progress on this and some more other fun projects that we have coming up this spring and summer. Thanks so much for tuning in.